This here is the 2025 Ford F-150 Lightning Flash. Makes 452 horsepower, 0 to 60 in less than 4 seconds. Can tow almost 10,000 pounds. Got a makeshift bottle opener back here. You get your fold-out step. And if you want to close the tailgate without your hands, just give it a little kick up with your knee. This here is finished off in antimatter blue, which is a very dark blue that looks almost black. The interior is slate gray with slate gray metallic trim. Plenty of space inside of your rear seats. And then inside of your front trunk. And all that for $73,000.